students, today we are going to do some activities, some games, some educational games. So this game, I think it will be enjoyable. Now I have some questions and I have two students. His name is Ahmed and her name is Soma. So I have some general questions. Now I'm going to ask questions and we are going to take points, okay? So let's go to start with the questions. Question number 1. Are you ready for the questions? Yes, good. Question number 1 is, which animal is called king of the jungle? Lion, very good. Excellent. Very good. Question number 2. Can you give me 2 names of fruit?
Mango, watermelon.
Very good, mango and watermelon. The next question is, give me a kind of weather.
Sunny and cloudy.
Excellent. Yes. And the next question is, how many days do we have in a week? 7 days. Very good. Very good. And the question number 5, I think number 5 is, can you give me 2 names of job?
Doctor, teacher.
Very good. Very good. Very good. And the last question is, give me 2 names of zoo animal.
Parrot and lion.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. So let's see who's the winner. The point is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ahmed 4 points and Soma 2 points. So the winner is Ahmed. A big clap for Ahmed. Very good. Thank you. Thank you for all of you.